Hi, my name is Gopinath. I am basically from Mysore and I was settled in Bangalore working for an MNC company. On October 17, 2013, I was traveling to Dharmasthala with my family. Unfortunately, I met with an accident and I was unconscious. I don't know what happened after that. And when I opened my eyes, it was almost 12 days, I think, and I was at Vikram Hospital. When I opened my eyes, I was in ICU. Then slowly, I think after 1 or 2 days, I was able to speak and I am able to understand myself. Once I was able to know about myself, then I met one doctor. That time I didn't know his name. Then later I come to know he is Dr. Amrut Lal sir.
When I saw Gopi first in our ICU, he was in a state of shock. He had a lot of injuries on him. He had an elbow fracture, shoulder fracture, wrist fracture, even a minor head injury. But the most serious problem that he was facing was a spine fracture. He was not able to move his lower limbs. So the next step that I took was to get an MRI scan of his spine. The MRI scan showed fractures of 2 vertebrae. 2 of his bones in the spine were fractured at 2 levels, and the spinal cord, which is just next to these fractured levels, was compressed at both these levels. Realizing that Gopinath had a significant compression of the spinal cord because of the vertebral fractures, he needed a surgery. We had to remove the compression from the spinal cord. So I took him up for surgery, where I did a decompression of the spinal cord by removing that part of the bone which was pressing on the spinal cord. The spine also had to be stabilized with screws. So I stabilized them with screws and then took him back into the ICU. On the second post-operative day, we found that he was able to move his lower limbs and he showed sufficient improvement of his symptoms. A post-operative X-ray showed very good position of the screws with adequate decompression of the spinal cord. Over the next few weeks, with aggressive rehabilitation program, we found phenomenal improvement in Gopinath's condition. So much so that he gradually started walking in 3 weeks to a month's time.
Then after 10 days, I think they have put me in the ward, and there the care taken was really good. From there, I think I was becoming normal. Then I met physiotherapist Dr. Radhakrishnan. It was diagnosed that I developed with a pressure sore, and they tried to treat in the ward itself for a few more days. Then I met with Dr. Kanti Shetty, who treated me on the pressure sore. While discharging, it was instructed to me I have to admit back after 1 month for the plastic surgery. And in this 1 month I was at home, and I think in December I have got readmitted to Vikram Hospital, where Dr. Kanti Shetty has done the plastic surgery. I was there for 2 to 3 days. Then I got discharged.
Mr. Gopinath was first referred to me for a deep wound in the lower back which was sustained probably at the time of the initial trauma. The wound needed a debridement, and we could do this with a team approach. The patient was coping with a personal tragedy, and we wanted to keep the hospital stay as short as possible. So we decided to use VAC therapy, which is vacuum assisted closure, and this could be done even at home. When the wound was ready, we got him in for the skin grafting procedure. The rest of the healing was uneventful. We hope that we have helped to make a difference.
Usually we will believe that most of the hospitals are business places, and we have a thing in our mind. But after coming to Vikram Hospital and this one, I think it's not the way. It's more than the business place. I felt it's a homely. I never felt it's a hospital only. I think that made me to recover so fast and to become normal in 1 year. Thank you, Vikram Hospital.